Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. Today we're at the Hard Rock Resort right here on Universal property. Going to give you a tour of room 5019. Come on in, check it out. As we enter in together, guys, now this is a deluxe room, 2 queen beds. So this would be, compared to a standard room, this has about 150 or so extra square feet. You're gonna know why in a minute, which I think is really beneficial. But first, let's start right here. As you enter in, to the left, you have your bathroom. You do have a bit of a split bathroom, you can say. This door here will shut. So, somebody could be shaving, you know, hair dryer, all of those type of things, makeup, whatever it is, brushing teeth, all in this area. You got this makeup mirror here. This dims, you have a dimming light, some amenities here, some glasses, towels, and I really think this is cool, man. It's a bunch of drumsticks, of course, hard rocking. Then you enter in here, you're gonna find all your linens. You have a nice shower here. Does just have the shower curtain. It's a little outdated, I'll say, compared to some of the newer resorts.
That's so cute.
And Roberta's just saying this is so cute. Guys, this is how we vlog. Welcome to Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe if you haven't. Oh, it's got a sewing kit.
Oh, that's so cute.
I haven't seen this sewn. It's like almost like a matchbook too.
No, that's so cute.
I used to get matchbooks back in the day. That has gone away. But anyway, let's get back to it. All your amenities here for your shower. Some people do like the bathtub because if you have kids, this is a little bit outdated compared to some of the newer hotels. They're still using tubs. Some of the newer hotels, even the value hotels, I've kind of gotten away from that. But anyway, there it is. So, and you'd also have a sink in here, which is really cool. Coming around to this side.
That's it.
Oh, Jake's doing some height. Oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, like that. Kind of like around there.
Oh, I hope you guys can see.
It's hard.
It's hard to see, but what it is it's a bunch of...
Let me see. How
maybe
high?
If I open this, it's kind of reflective. That might work a little better.
Let's see.
Oh, you're almost as tall as Madonna. Who is it?
Let's see.
But anyway, I know it's hard to see this mirror, but...
Debbie Harry, Cyndi Lauper, and Kelly Clarkson.
Okay. Well, you know what? While we're at it...
Let's see.
What do I got, guys?
What do you got, Jake? Okay, get out. Around.
Everybody, get out.
Get out.
I'm as tall as Beyonce, Alicia Keys, and Ringo Starr from the Beatles. I'll take that. So that mirror is pretty cool because it does give you different heights of different musicians. Again, it's a hard rock, so there's a lot of that little extra cool stuff. Now I lost track because these guys want to play over here. But anyway, you do have this nice closet here. You do have a luggage rack. You have a safe. They do have, looks like they do have some laundry service options if needed. But what's really nice about the Hard Rock, you get some robes in the room. These are complimentary robes that you can use while you're here. You can't, if you take these home, they will charge you.
Yeah.
Full ironing board.
This is like if you need it for like your dresses. Yeah, that'll be
fancy.
Yeah. So.
And an iron. You have your. What's cool too is they have these shelves. Well, Jake's actually kind of using it as a seat. So you have some different shelves. We have coffee. This is complimentary, of course. The coffee. The water is not. They're $8. Don't open them. Don't open them and try to put water in it either. That doesn't work.
Yeah.
Okay, nothing in there. Just a regular drawer. Small refrigerator. Very old style refrigerator. That's a 90s style refrigerator. And this is, I think, where you can kind of see the deluxe. I would imagine, I've never stayed here before, but I would imagine that this wall would probably just kind of go like this, straight across. And you may have these things here, but they would be against a straight wall. This kind of gives you some more room. This does open up into a bed. You have a little ottoman here. You got your thermostat, which again, this is an older style thermostat. That's also from the 90s, I know, because I've worked in hospitality for many years, and in the 90s, those were the units we were using.
That's cool.
And no, I'm not a travel agent or an affiliate here trying to sell you this room. We're just vlogging it and showing it to you. You have some drawers, more storage. You got your TV here with your remote. Got a pretty cool looking light.
Yeah.
You have this. Look at this. All these like albums.
This is the postcard. That's neat.
Some postcards, different information about the rooms, menus, all the different places you can eat.
That looks like a room delivery.
Also some outlets, USB. These are kind of nice, these chairs. Pretty cool. All right, working our way around. The view here, not great. We did not pick the view, we just picked the room. It was a little bit cheaper for us to do that. If you watch our regular vlog, we get into different pricing and how the options work with that. But yeah, yes, this is what you're looking at. But, I mean, you can still kind of see out that way. So probably not the greatest view, but it's fine. We're not too picky about things like that. You got that floor lamp. Come around this side. Wondering what this is. So this was possibly, maybe they used to have sconce light here that you could turn on and off. That's gone. Got that big long headboard. These are 2 queen beds. Over here, some more outlets behind the phone. Looks like just one USB, some regular ones there. These do independently turn on and off. You have another drawer. I like the little pads and things like that in the room. Coming around, there's your full tour. But we're not quite done yet, because we don't just do a full tour of the room, we do a review of the room as we check out from the room, and we let you know if we heard outside noise. We let you know about the AC, how was the bed, how was the shower. So that's coming up right now. It's time for the room review, guys.
It is.
Jake, you go first. What'd you think of the room, Jake?
The shower's a little bit claustrophobic, I did notice that. And the beds are very comfortable, but there's no ceiling fan.
Yeah. So the bed, okay, so yeah, so the shower, it's very dark. When you close the curtain, it's very dark inside. So yeah, I agree with Jake. If you like have any kind of like, yeah, sensory like that, it may not be good for you. The bed, I agree. I like the bed. It was good. The AC was more than good. It was too cold. We did not hear. I did not hear anything from outside or next doors, but we don't have much going on next doors anyway. But I didn't hear anything. It was a good room. If anything, it is the TV. I feel like it's far from where is that? So
yeah, from the bed,
bigger.
because I think this room again has extra square footage in the way it's designed. I mean, you can still watch it, don't get me wrong, but it is a little bit far away.
So if you need to read, it's not an easy thing to read. Like if you put captions or subtitles, it's not an easy thing to read. So.
And for me, I don't really have anything else to add, except the room it's not a, which I don't mind. I actually prefer a room that doesn't have a million lights in it. It's not a room that has a ton of ceiling lights or anything like that. So it's not like you're going to get blown away. If you want a lot of light in your room, it's more of just chill, dim, kind of normal, like you're in your home lights. You know what I mean? That's what I noticed. AC was great. I have really nothing else I don't have any complaints about the room itself. Now, of course, we talked about the view and things like that. It's not the greatest of views, but we also didn't technically pick a view. We just picked that we wanted this particular room with the extra square footage, and this is what we got.
Yeah.
Other than that, I mean, we're only here for a night.
Correct.
But yeah, people may say the room it's a weird hotel. I'm gonna get more into the vlog about
Yeah.
being outdated versus
Yeah.
being current or clean or not. You know, we'll get into that in our regular vlog. So check that out. But really, no complaints on the room.
Yeah,
It worked.
A couple more things we need to talk about in our regular vlog.
Yeah, in the regular vlog. So follow up on our regular. Probably would be the day we check out vlog. So guys, thank you so much for watching Medling World. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!